guys, welcome back to my channel. If you stumbled on my video for the first time, you're welcome. This is Learn French with Queen, and this is the platform where we learn French, and we learn in such a way that our learning encompasses the speaking, writing, and the reading skills. Do well to check through my videos, give them thumbs up if you find them useful, do share to loved one, and do subscribe. That is, if you've not yet subscribed. And to those who have subscribed, I say a big thank you. Okay, so today we'll be looking at another topic, which is our dates. Definitely we'll be looking at not dates with figures, but we'll be looking at dates with like days, how to say them. Okay, so we'll be looking at this because this is quite important as well. It helps in our communication skills. When someone is talking and the person is telling you la veille or le lendemain, and the person is talking, so you'll be able to understand that okay, these are the days or the dates that this person is talking about, so you can follow up while the person is talking. So let's start and let's look at some of those days of the week and the rest. Okay, so these are few out of so many, but we'll be looking at it gradually. Our dates. So I said earlier on that when we are talking about our dates, we are not looking at the figures, but we'll be looking at them in days, like days, the days of the week, or like our days. So aujourd'hui means today in French language. So when I want to say today, you can make use of aujourd'hui, and in fact that is the right word for the word today in French language. So in case you hear somebody tell you aujourd'hui j'ai un rendezvous, so you know that okay, this person is telling you that today I am having a meeting somewhere. So you know that aujourd'hui actually means today. So we have demain, which means tomorrow. On va se voir demain. So you understand that when the person is telling you on va se voir demain means we are going to see tomorrow. Obviously, you are going to see the person, so you understand that domain means tomorrow. So let's look at another one. We have hier, which simply means yesterday. Hier c'était mon anniversaire. So when you hear something like hier c'était mon anniversaire, you know that oh, hier simply means yesterday. That means yesterday was my birthday, was my anniversary, and so you understand that oh, it was yesterday, that was our anniversary. Hier c'était mon anniversaire. Okay, so let's continue. We have avant hier, which means a day before yesterday. So when you want to say the day before yesterday in French, you make use of avant hier, a day before yesterday. Je suis allé chez mon père avant-hier. Je suis allé chez mon père avant-hier. So I went to my father's house a day before yesterday. So let's continue. We have après-demain. Après-demain means a day after tomorrow. Since tomorrow means demain, yeah, après means after. So it means the day after tomorrow. J'irai au supermarché après-demain. So you know that okay, this is a future plan. She's having a plan of going to the supermarket. So it is a plan. Obviously, it's not today. It's not going to be tomorrow. It will be a day after tomorrow. So that's when you hear après-demain. You should know that it's the day after the following day. So we have le soir. When we say le soir, it simply means evening. And we have ce soir, means this evening. So we should understand the context in which we can make use of le soir and ce soir. You can say ce soir j'irai chez mes amis. This evening I'll be going to my friend's house. J'irai chez mes amis ce soir. And you can say le soir nous mangeons toujours du riz et du poulet. You should understand the context in which to make use of le soir and ce soir. Ce soir is specific. It's telling you that it is today, it's this evening, it's today. As we continue, we're going to understand how to make good use of this word. This contains le soir, ce soir, and the days of the week. And the next one we'll be learning. So it's quite important for us to understand when to make good use of them. I hope you find this video useful so that whenever you want to communicate with someone, you can make use or you can pick the right one to use. So let me meet with you at the comment section if you have anything to say as regarding our date, and I'll be glad to reply you. So do well to like this video, do give it a thumbs up if you find it useful, do share to the loved one, and subscribe. See you till next time. Au revoir.